Good morning, children. Welcome to your general knowledge class. So, children, as we know that we already completed our all chapters of general knowledge. It means we finished our portion for PA2. Okay, children. So here now I'm going to take your revision. Okay. So from which chapter I'm going from which chapter I'm going to take your revision? Yes, what I said in earlier classes that I'm going to take your revision of chapter 1, 2 and 3. Yes, correct. So let's start. Okay. So the name of the first chapter is anagram. Okay. So what is the meaning of the anagram? In anagram, we have the different pictures. We have the different pictures, and with the help of the pictures, we rearrange the letter. Okay. We rearrange the letter, give the another name. Okay. So for example, coming to the question number 1. Okay. So in question number, the picture is two pictures are given. So in the first, the name of the first object is art. Okay. So here we have to arrange the art and give the name for the second picture. So what will be the name of the object? It will be rearrange the letter ART. It will be rat. Correct. And what will be the name for the second object? When we arrange the APE, it will be P. Correct. In the third one, we easily find out the name. Yes, cat. Correct. And after that, it will be top. Correct. Fifth one, arrange the loaf. It will be foal. Yes. And gum, rearrange it. What will be the name of this picture? It will be mug. Yes. And when we rearrange the TEN, so what will be the name of this object? It will be net. Correct. So children, in anagram, you have to arrange the letter and find out the name of the object. Okay. So let's move to the next chapter. So what is the name of the second chapter? Name of the second chapter is cricket is fun. So what we have to do in this chapter? We have to find out the some name or a concepts or some people and or what objects we use in this game, that is cricket. We have to find out the some name with the help of the given pictures. Correct. So what will be the the first name? It's showing to which objects, what we call such two objects, what we called it as? It will be bales. Correct. And what is the name of the second? What we call, we already discussed now. There are some key people in the cricket, and such key people are known as batsman, bowler, fielder, and umpire. Correct. So what will be the second picture? It will be batsman. Correct. And third, batsman has in our hand, what he has? Bat. Yes. So third will be bat. Fourth one, who judge the match? It will be, yes, umpire. Fifth one, it will be wickets. And six, yes, who has ball in her hand? So it will be bowler. Correct. So children, everyone learn it and try to revise it. Okay. So move to the next chapter. Then and now, in this chapter, we learn we have the some tools or objects that we use in earlier time when there is a very less technology, and after that we have to match them to the tool that we use in today's time. Okay, so you have to match them. Okay, so the first object is desktop. So what is the newer or the most advanced version of desktop? So it will be what we use at the place of the desktop today's time. It will be laptop. Yes. So you have to match 1 to C. Second is abacus. We use abacus for calculation in previous time. So what object we use in today's time for calculating big numbers? It will be calculator. Yes. So from 2 to you have to match with E. And third one will be the plug. Why we use plug? For plugging the fields, correct. But in previous time, now the farmers use tractor, correct. So match third to A. And the fourth one is lantern. So why we use lantern? We use lantern as the source of the light, but in previous time, now we have electricity na. So what we use for as the source of light? We use CFL, yes, tube lights, bulb. They all are the new, yes, they all are the source of light. So we can match lantern to tube light. It means 4 to B. Okay. Now the next one is last one, that is pot. So what is the use of pot? Yes, in previous time we use the pot for cooling the water. Okay, but in previous time when there is no electricity and yes, now we have electricity and new technologies. Okay, so what we used for cooling water or objects? We use refrigerator. Yes, so you have to match 5 to D. Okay, children. So in in today's video, on in today's class, we revise how many chapters? 3 chapters. That is anagram, cricket is fun, and then and now. Okay, so after that, children, you have to learn which chapter? More 3 chapters. That is chapter number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so after in the next class we will revise chapter number 4, 5, and 6. Till then, everyone revise everything and try or learn by heart. Okay, and all the best for your PA2. Okay, children. Bye bye.